But you don't do for kids. Big son moved home, missed the bus, need to go to work. So of course, mommy drives in rain and cold. So now I'm home. But glad he's off to work because he gotta work and I got to work. So it's made me happy. So of course, mommy will drive to the station so he can get the train. But look how dark it is at 7 in the morning in Denmark, and it's raining, and I still have my winter baby adult suit on. It's a real suit, but look how cold and rainy it is. I don't know if you can see the rain, but you can hear the wind, and my ears are freezing off. But I can show you the puddle. Look, you can see in the puddle it's raining. But you know what you do when you are a kid? Say, eee! Well, it's still fun. Well, I'm allowed to be crazy. Now I have to find my key so I can open the door and hair in my mouth. I cannot find my key. Funny. That was my glass. Or something else. I don't know what it was. But a little cold morning on a rainy day in Denmark. Love you all. I'm gonna get some sleep. See you later. See, I'm indoors. Indoors. Well, Danish for indoors. But with hair. So, well, I look like a lost elf or something. But a little for everybody. Morning.